Hi, this is Mr. Capper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the scooter tire using a different method. You're going to use the revolve tool. So this isn't a repeat video. It's actually a different method. Like always, you're going to go File, New, Part. You're then going to start a 2D sketch. Choose the XZ plane. Must choose this if the rest of this video is going to make sense. So you got to choose that one. Otherwise, when you go to revolve, it won't work. Now we need to change the units. On this project, we are using millimeters. All right, so now go back to your sketch tab. You're going to make a generic rectangle out to the side of the origin. You're then going to dimension from the origin to this inner edge 35. Hit enter. You're then going to go from the origin to the outer edge, dimension that 55. And then lastly, the height of this is going to be 24 millimeters. Finish your sketch. You're then going to use the revolve tool to make this. Choose revolve. It already chose the profile for you. Axis, though, it doesn't know what you want to use, so you'll have to do a drop down here under this origin and choose X-axis, and then hit OK. Notice you can change the angle here if you want to do a partial revolve. And then lastly, we're going to do that fillet. The fillet is 12 millimeters. Hit OK. And then color it in. And then make sure you save this. When I go to check this, I'm going to make sure that you use the correct method for this second wheel. So maybe call this scooter and then give it a name such as wheel number 2. Let me know if you have any additional questions.